One of the amazing features that using your iPhone as a webcam brings to the Mac is called Desk View. This is amazing if you're doing remote teaching, or if you're doing crafting and you want to share that on the webcam, or to be honest, sharing anything that you're doing on the desk with people on video calls. Now you can enter Desk View in two ways. You can use the Control Center and video effects, or you can just go into Spotlight Search by tapping Command and Space and searching Desk View. This opens up a brand new app, and you can see straight away there's a little preview. In fact, hello, hi Jacob. Now this will use the wide-angle lens on your iPhone, and you'll see straight away that as well as having a distorted version of me, there's also a lot of my desk in shot. There's also a white box, and I can use the plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out to position how much of my desk will be shown on the camera. You can't move the white box itself, but you can reposition your iPhone ever so slightly if you need to get a better shot. When that white box covers just the part of the desk that you want to share, you can press Start, and then straight away that image will appear on screen just like this. That now means that I can play with my Lego and you can see exactly what I'm doing, or perhaps if I'm doing some teaching online, maybe that's a better example, I don't know. But when you're doing this, you can also still use that zooming in and out tool at the bottom to get a closer look at what you're doing or what you're building, and you can share that with people on video calls simply by sharing your screen. Desk View is an awesome new feature in macOS Ventura, and if you want to learn even more about your Mac, please do subscribe down below.